Hi, it's Gwen Fox and welcome to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We would love to have you. Now, this is the final of a painting demo. The first 3 minutes or so, it's going to be of the doing the actual painting of it. Then the second part is the dissection of how it was painted, taking it in piece by piece and letting you know. This is a very important part, because this is the way you kind of get into the mind of the artist so that you know what's going on and if it's working and why not, and why did I not consider it finished when you thought it might be done. So, you know, it's an interesting process of taking collage, putting it on, peeling it off. It's just a great process. So enjoy and let me know what you think. And if you've got questions, I would love to answer them. So anyway, enjoy the video. Okay, now that you've seen the video, now I want to dissect everything that was done so it will help you understand exactly why I did everything that I did. So this is our first image. And then what we did was I took out the white chalk, did some markings on it to kind of give me an idea of what I wanted to do. Then this is the beginning of how I started the work, started the painting. And as you can see, I'm adding, I'm layering, I'm adding and layering and layering. And so now I'm adding a few other colors. The process of doing this is the fact that you're just adding thin layers. Then the next you're going to see, I decided I didn't like it because it was too normal. I didn't care for this. So what did I decide to do? I said, I'm going to add collage. So that's what I did. I added some collage, and you saw how I put it on. I put it on with coal wax because this is an oil. And so I've got this. Now I have to work it in to make it look like it's part of the painting instead of just put on collage, because you don't want that. So now I've done that. And it kind of looks good, but it's not finished yet. I just don't quite like it. So then I'm working and adding and doing all kinds of other things to this just to try and do layers and layers and layers. This is what this is about. And you can still see the collage that I put in there. Now I'm looking at this and I'm saying, you know, this looks pretty good, but I am not particularly thrilled with this. I've got it to this stage. This is when I think it's done. Then I look at it and I say, but guess what? The center of interest is not prominent enough. It's not strong enough. So I peeled off collage, found this headline, loved it. Then I added a dark line because I needed to add a dark line to this in order to make it really strong. And then then I added the white line because the white line connected it to the right side. Now we're looking at just a couple of close-ups that I thought you would want to see because it shows the layering, the many, many, many layers. And then here is what the finished product looks like. And I think it turned out really strong. It's a great abstract design, lots of layers, lots of depth. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know and get to painting, guys. I love ya. Bye.